We're doing pronunciation practice of the days of the week in English. Make sure to repeat after me and really try and match my pronunciation as closely as possible. Let's go. Sunday, 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 Monday, 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 Tuesday, 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 Wednesday, 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 Thursday, 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 Friday, 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 Saturday, 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 Saturday. For those of you that want to continue to improve your pronunciation in English, make sure to take a look at my listen and repeat playlist. I have included it in the description below. Check it out.